Today's lesson is on the dial caliper, its components, adjustments, how to use, and how to read the dial caliper itself. Components of the dial caliper consist of the following: the dial adjustment screw, external and outside jaws, internal and inside jaws, locking screw, fine adjustment screw, beam or bar, and finally the slider or depth bar. How to adjust the dial caliper. Loosen the adjustment screw. Turn the outer ring of the dial so the needle is aligned with 0. Snug up the dial adjustment screw. Slowly open up your dial calipers. Start to read the bar, then the dial, starting with the whole inch mark, then the tenths mark, then read the dial. Finally, add up the readings. Taking the outside or external measurement, we're going to use the outside jaws. We'll open them up, look and take the reading. For the inside or internal measurement, we're going to use the inside jaws. We'll again open them up, flip it back over, look and take the reading. Next, we're going to take a depth measurement. We're going to use the bar at the end. We'll slowly slide it down until it hits the bottom of our object. Then turn it and take our reading. And finally, we're going to take a step measurement. With this, we're going to actually use the back side of the dial caliper. So we're going to have to spin it around, push it down until it hits the bottom, flip it back toward us, and finally take the reading.